Have you ever faced a situation where everyone, including yourself, believes that your dreams are too big for you to achieve? You're stuck between a rock and a hard place, unsure of how to proceed. Well, today we're diving into an inspiring story that proves that patience and unwavering commitment can help you overcome any obstacle. Our story revolves around a determined individual who dared to dream big despite facing skepticism from all sides. But it wasn't just their dream that was too big, it was their entire plan. They had this incredible idea that seemed nothing short of audacious, something that made people question their sanity. However, this person refused to let the naysayers hold them back. They understood that success often comes to those who dare to take risks and pursue their passions fearlessly. So they took a leap of faith and embarked on a journey that would change their life forever. As they ventured further into uncharted territories, they encountered countless challenges that threatened to derail their progress. The path ahead seemed riddled with obstacles, making it difficult to envision a successful outcome. Yet our protagonist pressed on, driven by an indomitable spirit and the belief in their dream. Through sheer determination and resilience, they navigated the treacherous terrain, overcoming each obstacle as it came. But it wasn't just about grit and willpower. This person also possessed a remarkable ability to learn and adapt. They quickly grasped new skills, absorbed knowledge like a sponge, and applied it to their journey, constantly refining their approach and making strategic adjustments along the way. Their eagerness to learn and evolve allowed them to stay one step ahead of the challenges that lay in wait. Throughout their arduous journey, this person never lost sight of their ultimate goal. They had a crystal-clear vision of what they wanted to achieve, and that clarity served as a guiding light during moments of despair. Whenever doubt crept in, or exhaustion threatened to consume them, they drew strength from their unwavering focus and the belief that their dream was worth fighting for. It's important to note that this person didn't do everything alone. Along their journey, they formed alliances with like-minded individuals who shared their passion and enthusiasm. They understood the power of collaboration and sought out those who could complement their skills and provide support. Together, they formed a formidable team, drawing strength and inspiration from one another. Despite the hardships they faced, this person never succumbed to negativity or discouragement. Instead, they channeled any negative energy into fuel for their journey, using it to propel them forward with renewed vigor. They knew that the road to success was rarely smooth, and that setbacks were just temporary detours on the path to their ultimate triumph. This person's unwavering dedication and commitment to their dream were truly remarkable. They approached every task with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every step was taken with precision and care. Whether it was planning, strategizing, or executing their ideas, they poured their heart and soul into every endeavor, refusing to compromise on quality or results. However, it's crucial to remember that this person's journey wasn't solely about achieving success for personal gain. They had a deep sense of purpose and wanted to make a positive impact on the world. They recognized that true success lay not only in their own achievements, but also in the value they brought to others, and so they dedicated themselves to using their success as a platform to uplift, inspire, and empower those around them. Their journey serves as a testament to the transformative power of pursuing one's dreams relentlessly. It shows that even when faced with skepticism and discouragement, it is possible to achieve extraordinary success by remaining patient and steadfast in one's pursuits. It is a story that reminds us that the biggest dreams have the potential to become reality if we dare to believe in them and take the necessary steps to turn them into a tangible. We all encounter moments in our lives when our dreams seem too big for us to reach. There are times when the weight of other people's expectations and the pressure to conform can hold us back from truly embracing our ambitions. But this story encourages us to break free from those limitations and embrace our dreams wholeheartedly. It reminds us that sometimes our greatest triumphs come from the most audacious plans that others might consider crazy. Furthermore, this narrative underscores the importance of surrounding ourselves with the right people. Choosing to align ourselves with individuals who believe in our dreams and support our endeavors can make all the difference in turning our aspirations into reality. The power of human connection and the strength we find in unity are essential components of this journey toward success. The story also teaches us the significance of embracing discomfort and challenges along the way. Growth and success often occur outside of our comfort zones, and it is through facing difficulties that we discover our true potential. It is in those moments of discomfort that we learn to push our boundaries, adapt, and emerge stronger than ever before. In conclusion, this remarkable tale serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us that success knows no bounds and that our dreams have the power to shape our reality. By embracing challenges, learning from setbacks, and staying true to our goals, we can navigate the complexities of life and achieve extraordinary triumphs. Let this story be a catalyst for your own journey, propelling you towards your dreams with unwavering determination and a steadfast belief in your abilities. Remember, it is through patience and an unyielding commitment to excellence that we unlock the doors to success and create a life that is truly our own. Now we want to hear from you. Do you have a story of patience paying off? Share it with us. We'd love to hear how you achieved success by waiting for the right moment to make your dreams come true. Also, what dream or goal are you patiently working towards? Share your aspirations with us, and don't forget to include the hashtag so we can celebrate your dreams too. And for more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to reading your stories.